What's up, guys? It's your bros. Today we're going to be talking about our dogs. Well, if I can find the white one, which is right there. So that's my dog. Hey, Shadow. And that's Bear. That's our newest dog.
There's the mail lady. She'll go get the mail.
Yep, there's the mail lady. I'm going to go get the mail if you want to come with me. Well, of course you're going to come with me because I gotta go grab it.
What's up, guys?
Mailbox is over there. I'm not going to show the thing.
This is your other bro here, Brady.
Yep, that's Brady over there.
What's up, guys?
Today we're wearing hats. This one's mine.
This one's mine. It's a Dewey boy, but it's old.
Hey, just stay away from the road, please.
Get out of the road.
Stay from one little piece. Wow.
Take it to your mom.
Oh, it's a free color tool or whatever from Victoria's Secret. Cool. All right, I'll meet you in just a second. Yeah. So, now that we're recording again, we're gonna be talking about our dogs. Hey, Shadow. Hey, girl. That one's mine. And then we also, guess what it is? We have a duck down there.
We're going to go show you the duck also today.
Yeah, we're gonna show you guys the duck. We're also gonna try to go in there and go.
Watch out. Watch out. Let me
Stay
go
away.
in first. Let me go first. Watch out, guys.
You grab the camera. Here,
Better back up. Clear. Wait,
there's Shadow.
Yeah.
She's in the deck. Here, grab the camera so I can come in. Just don't show anyone's face.
That's Bear.
Dog's face.
That's Shadow. Shadow. That's Shadow. That's Bear.
Jumping all
Over us. Now we're going to walk back here and see Destiny. The duck.
There's Shadow. Hey, girl, come here. Hey, girl. Bear's over there.
Hey, you're staying outside the pen, right?
No, I'm going inside the pen.
Let me go in first. Let's see if we can dig down the cut.
All right. I ain't showing your face.
And you better not.
So he's getting in the pen now.
With the duck.
He's getting in the pen now. There's our duck. Running away.
Destiny.
Why are you calling it like a duck? Hey, no, get down from there.
That's why we hate this.
I'm coming over the fence. See, now they can't. Here's the... Holy moly. I got that on video.
So the duck's trying to fly,
Yep, the ducks try to fly.
and usually the duck does not fly. The duck comes to you, and then misses
Well,
you.
it comes to me. Because, see, look, it's coming to me because it's kind of scared or whatever.
Kind of scared of me. Okay, Destiny. Destiny.
No, Destiny.
Go corner the daggum dog.
Dang it. Come here. Come here.
Corner it over there in that corner. Oh! Don't waddle on me, duck.
Okay, you're good. You're good. You're good. You're good to pet her.
Look, I'm petting Destiny the duck.
Yep, the cute little ducky.
This is Angel's duck, wherever she's at.
Angel's inside.
She went back in the house. She's our sister.
Say hi. Say
That's
hi,
Destiny.
Say hi, Destiny.
Me and Angel Fuller.
Want to get the camera? Oh,
Me and Angel Fuller next door, the neighbor. We were the first ones to know about this duck. I was here when Destiny was. She was first brought to the house.
there's the other dog that tries to get in.
The white one right here, Bear.
That dog hates this duck.
And the duck hates the dog too.
That's the only good dog we really have. That's a girl.
Get that.
The boy dog that we only have that's really good is the one that's inside that we said last video. So, yeah.
Maybe we need to bend this chicken wire to make it not get in. You know how he's doing it? He's pushing this down when he gets in.
Yeah. No. That or he's pulling it down.
It probably is.
Pulling it towards him to go down. Hey, Dad. See, the duck is like cuddling with me right now. Fully. Say, I like to cuddle with people. The good cuddle duck. Okay, you can go free. Go free, Mr. Ducky. Go free. Go free. Free Ducky. There's that stupid dog again. Alright, I'm about to hop this and I'm going to go play with Shadow. Fixing the tripping wire. This is the good girl dog that we have. Come on, Shadow. You can jump up here. Say, I'm a good girl. Say, one day when I get a GoPro, I'm gonna attach it to you. I'll see what you do when I'm gone. I get to see what you do when I'm gone. Only for like a day though. Battery won't last that long. If I get a GoPro for my birthday.
So right now, guys, I'm putting up this chicken wire so the stupid dog doesn't get in.
Yep.
Now
Like that dog.
coming out of the chicken pen.
Yeah. So when he said chickens, yeah, we are getting chickens
Yep, we're getting some chickens
next week.
next week. Yep.
Yeah, next week.
Hopefully we're gonna have baby chicks.
We are. We're gonna get them baby and then we have to keep them in the thing for 6 months.
If we don't have baby chickens, we're gonna have some eggs to eat.
Yep.
Good eggs, not the.
We're gonna make some scrambled eggs. Sorry if y'all are loving chickens, but if you're a chicken lover, but we gotta get some eggs so we can have something to eat. We also have a garden back there too, so.
Oh yeah, we'll walk around and see it.
Sure.
We'll walk around here, guys. Angel, be quiet. We're videoing. And
we're on 6 minutes now. 6 minutes and 12
we're gonna walk back here and we're gonna see the garden.
So first of all, I'm gonna show you my bike, which is
That's his bike.
kind of broken-ish.
The mongoose.
Mongoose,
I don't like it that well.
especially because he has boots on.
Yeah, you don't see me wearing these kind of boots. These are small cowboy boots.
So
Yeah.
here's our garden. Those are tomatoes in the buckets. We got watermelon, squash, beans, green beans actually, and
Those are some tomatoes and
pink eye beans.
rest of that they spent all day, maybe 2 days working on.
We got corn. Oh, they have been sprouting. Cool.
She said
See? They're sprouting if you can see them. Yeah, right here. They're sprouting. Well, I didn't believe her. I didn't see it, okay? Well, yeah, we can see the fish if there are any. See, we got a creek in the back. Yeah. We got a tree thing that he might be trying to get up on. So, here's our creek. Alright. You know you can jump on right here? Oh, okay. Have fun.
Come on, you not coming?
No, I'm videoing. Remember, I don't want my camera to get wet.
He's about to go skip some rocks.
Yep.
You don't get a snake bit.
I only showed you the back of him because I ain't showing the face part, but he has sunglasses on, right?
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter if I show his face because you can't see his full face. Now that was 2 skips. I can skip it. I can skip it like 4 times maybe.
Hey. You video. We skip.
I know, I can skip.
The assistant skip.
No, that was a good skip. Throw this log thing right here. Throw that log. Throw that log.
Hold on a second. I'm gonna skip all these.
Or not log, stem. I don't know.
Oh gosh, it's a perfectly flat rock.
Ooh, I want it.
Didn't work 2 poops of a cow.
Nope.
Guess y'all know what that means. Which I happen to not.
That's a real thing. So I was told that someone rode their dirt bike in this creek and crashed, and
Yes, it was, don't you?
yeah, it was Chris's stupid son. Which I didn't mean to say. So that was the tire that he drove with his dirt bike.
Which I think he's dead now.
No, he's in jail, I think. That or he's living with someone else by himself.
That don't surprise me.
Dang, look at these. These are the first time I've seen these. These are really cool pink flowers or whatever. Angel, you should take one of these to your mommy. Here,
I went 4 skips.
take this to mom.
No.
You don't want to take it to mommy?
Yeah.
It's a good pink flower.
I'm gonna try to get over this daggone thing without falling in.
Well, he got it because he got boots. Don't go through the garden.
Don't go through the garden, dummy.
Don't say that.
I was calling myself dummy too, though.
Yeah, true. Because he almost walked through the garden as well.
I almost walked.
Bye, puppy dogs.
Bye, puppy.
Bye, Shadow, which is all the way down there.
Destiny.
Bye, Destiny.
Bye, Destiny.
We call her Desi for short.
call it Destiny.
Desi
Desi.
for short.
But whatever it's called.
It doesn't matter.
You
We are.
don't usually see me here at his house, but
He's just staying for the weekend. He's also going to be staying tonight, so you might see him in another video tonight.
yeah.
He might stay up all night again. At least try to again.
I ain't gonna stay up all night. I stayed up till 12:30 this morning.
I'll stay up until 2 in the morning.
I conked out at 1:30.
Well, this is the end of the video, so
Peace out, guys.
peace.